Yeah, it was.
They came back.
So these are the very small bands.
Came back
So I have to just check read the number with a little
magnifying glass.
Yeah.
We all do.
I don't know how I can see a number on a bird unless it was dead like this.
Much better vision than we do.
Yeah.
Young eyes.
He's got the jewelers.
Jewelers like
Yeah, that's why I wanted to try and be as quick as I can with this female.
She takes the first one and puts it back in the house. I don't calm down the adult.
Right.
getting this.
He waited till she was inside.
Mother tree small out.
Yeah,
Where's she gonna be mad?
You know what bad ways.
yep, I'm going to wait.
Had a bad day.
Yeah, real bad.
Had a very bad day.
Ian? Yeah, so I used to study tree swallows for several years, and a lot of people study tree swallows because they're very tolerant of being handled, but also they're fairly easy to catch because you can just sneak up on the box like I did with that one. Most birds you can't do that. Most birds, if they see you coming, they'll fly. Tree swallows are okay, and I've done this hundreds of times, caught them on their nests, and you release them and they're fine. Because also, all the while that we're holding this, the male will be feeding the other ones, so they won't be going hungry. 15.8.
Yeah, it's easy for you to say. You scared her to death.
I don't hear her saying that.
Yeah, she probably won't be saying that.
I never been picked up by
She's having a bad day.
I opened the bands.
Yeah, put you up, weigh you, and
So I made the band like a C shape, okay? And I put it around their leg. And I have these special banding pliers, and you see they have a round hole?
Yeah.
And that means you can't hurt the bird, okay? Because when you squeeze the band shut, it just squeezes shut as a circle.
Okay.
So all you've basically done is put a numbered bracelet on the bird. And it'll be there, it'll be on there for the rest of its life. It's very light if you want to pass them around. These are the tree swallows, and there's almost 100 bands on that string. They're just very fine aluminum. Let's see if you can read the number.
100 bands. That's a lot of bands on
Yeah, they're just aluminum. And when you hold them, you really see what wide, flat beaks they've got.
Oh my gosh.
Measuring everything.
And so it's a female. And what you also notice with tree swallows, incredibly long wings.
Yes.
Nope. What's the difference of the coloring in the male and the female?
Well, the males are really blue all over. It's an interesting question. With tree swallows, they're unusual in that the young females, okay, so the ones in their first year, are brown. The older females are bluish. So this one's got quite a bit of blue on it. So this was born at least 2 years ago. Okay, that's her done. But you see what I mean? Look at so the wings are so long they go past the tail.
Oh my goodness.
See? And you see how much blue she's got on her?
Yeah.
You see the iridescence?
All right, baby.
Oh, isn't
All right,
that
baby.
So it's reflected. It's
Yeah.
something in the wing feathers that's reflected.
All
See?
right, baby.
sweetheart?
So you see what I mean about them having just tiny little legs, short
yeah,
little
yeah,
legs?
yeah,
Because they don't
little
need
tiny,
long
yeah.
legs because they're flying nearly all the time. They only need legs for when they land on the box and go inside. And also, if you blow on the breast, there, that's the rule. And only the females have that.
Oh, isn't that something?
And also, you see how the blood vessels are dilated?
Yeah.
So it's for them to transfer heat to the eggs. But look at the broad, flat beak. See? Sorry. Almost punched you in the face there.
It's up close and personal.
Right, so I'm going to just let her go now.
Bye-bye, sweetie.
There we go.
Go home.
Oh, yay! That was cool.
So yeah, so you just quickly, you know, and obviously I was a little bit, because I was explaining everything, it takes a bit longer. Normally you just catch them, band them, measure them, and then you let them go.
Go home, Mom.
You measured the bag.
What's on your bad day?
The weight.
She's gonna wait till we
So the
disappear.
bird plus the bag was 34 grams,
After getting
and the bag
captured.
was 15.8 grams. So who's good at math?